Provincial Champion. Lost to us in our singles challenge. We got a 6-point lead though. Last video, lost to us in our mixed doubles challenge, no lead. But now, Nick is back for revenge.
Fight!
So today you're gonna come back for another singles challenge, this time with no lead. You're gonna play Joanne first, and then you're gonna play Franklin 11 points, and if you can beat both of them, then you'll play me 21 points with no lead, see if you can regain your title. All right, cut. Oh, pretty good control. Oh, what? Wow, long rally. Outside. What? You can't hit to her front.
I can't hit.
Yeah, you can hit to his front. Oh, okay, in. Oh, wow. Wow. I don't want that. I have a front court, that sucks. Doesn't know how to play with control. You know, real men's singles, no one really nets. It's all like block. This is actually how you play men's singles. And whatever. Ooh. Wow. He's camping the front a lot. If you see him move up, you gotta hit to his back. Just don't keep giving him pattern, like repeat back shots. He keeps rushing up. Yeah. Oh. Nice. Wow, what a shot. What a shot. I learned that from Malika. Ooh. Yeah. Franklin, come here and commentate. This is how you're gonna beat Nick? Yeah. But how are you gonna outnet him?
No, I'm faster than him. He's
Okay.
faster to recover.
Sure.
If that doesn't work, I got back.
Done?
Game.
All right, go Franklin. Nick, be impressive, man. You're representing our province. Whatever.
It's not working.
Oh my God. Franklin, you're representing our channel. You need to also do better. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I'm gonna be so desperate, I'm gonna pay for Shodia's Achilles surgery. This shot that you do here, the slice, you always miss it. What? That's your signature out shot. But one thing for me is I do have my sprained knee, I can't move, so I do need to play a lot smarter. Outside.
Bruh.
Ah. How many points have you won, Franklin?
4.
Oh my God. It's just signature. I don't know. You guys just always make the same mistakes. watch them play. I'll be back.
All right, 10-7. Where'd Alex run off to?
What's with this nonchalant thing you got going on, man?
Oh, whatever. It's who I am.
Were you nonchalant since birth? Like 8 years old and you're like,
Yeah.
we need to break the psychology of this down. This is some sort of emotional detachment. Not enough attention was paid for you, so you have to do an emotional detachment to dissociate.
I'm the firstborn. There's two more. Two younger siblings, so.
And?
I don't know.
Okay, let's
If that
do
means
this.
anything.
Airchi 01 Shuttlecocks, affiliate link down below. Oh. Wow. Huh. Can't push off my left knee, which is a huge obstacle here. Can't jump and attack. Oh yeah, 6-1. Ooh. I need some water. One sec. Let me show you guys if I can update this strategy. It's gonna be a challenge on my side, you know? Big restrictions, but we'll use our brain to win. That lift. How do I do this? Switch bird. You guys are gonna see me at my limit of my tactics today. Oh. No, sorry. You like losing points? You enjoyed that one? You enjoyed that one? It's funny?
Yeah, real
Yeah.
funny.
I'll give you a few more of those. Ah. all?
Yeah.
Wait, I only have 4 points?
Yeah.
What the hell? Okay, show you guys how to catch up.
Ah!
Oh shit!
Good shot, good shot. That's KO. Edit that one out. No, it stays in.
What? Out.
Out? Out.
Oh, good game, good game.
Again.
Decisive victory.
2 whips for every shot.
Hey, you should have bet that at the beginning. I would have tried harder. Congratulations on your victory. Did you notice anything different today about how you play against me? Or how I play against you?
Well, compared to last time, I wasn't rushing as much. I was playing a lot slower, more patient, and it's only when I got the opportunity, that's when I sped up.
Right. Did you notice anything different on my end?
No,
No?
not quite.
Well, if you didn't notice, I actually have a really severe knee injury. So I sprained my knee. So if you notice when you play me, I actually didn't take more than 1 step in every direction. So anyways, I'm not giving you the victory today. This doesn't count. So next time, you're gonna come back. I'm gonna store you 0 points. I'm also gonna take your doubles title.
Sure.
Okay, if you guys wanna see that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check out the next video over here.